Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. It's cold and freezing outside. I feel like eating some comfort food. If you like a butter chicken or paneer butter masala, you should give this makhani pasta a try. Makhani pasta is a fusion blend of classic Italian pasta and delicious Indian makhani sauce. It is nothing but a pasta cooked in creamy tomato sauce with Indian spices. This makhani pasta in the instant pot is so quick and easy, which is made in under 30 minutes from start to end. This makhani pasta recipe is creamy, flavorful, crowd pleaser and liked by kids and adults as well. You can make this recipe vegan also. I'm gonna share some tips and variations for this pasta recipe. Please stay with me till the end. I have shared the recipe link for the paneer butter masala and butter chicken in the description box below. Please do check it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make makhani pasta in the instant pot. First, let's see how to make a makhani sauce. Check on the ingredients for making makhani sauce. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. To the inner pot, add butter, cumin seeds, 1 medium-sized chopped onions, 4 medium-sized chopped tomatoes, 1/4 cup of cashews. If you are allergic to the nuts, feel free to skip this. If you want spicy, add half teaspoon of chili powder, or if you want mild spice, just add 1/4 teaspoon. Add Kashmiri red chili powder. This is completely optional. This gives a nice natural vibrant color to the sauce and also it is not spicy. Add 1 inch of ginger, 5 cloves of garlic, salt as per your taste, coriander powder. I'm adding freshly grounded homemade garam masala powder. I have given the recipe link in the description box below. If you want, please do check it. Add 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. I'm gonna make a pasta in pot. Let's check on the ingredients to cook the pasta. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. Place the tripod and keep the another pot on the tripod. Add 8 ounces of pasta, salt, 2 cups of water, make sure that all the pasta is under the liquid and drizzle 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Close the lid and make sure that the vent is in the sealing position. Select manual or pressure cook mode and set the timer for 4 minutes. If you use whole wheat pasta, cook it for 6 minutes. Once the instant pot is done cooking, do the quick release. Open the lid carefully. The pasta is perfectly cooked. Cover the pasta and keep it aside or else it will get dry. Blend this mixture into a smooth sauce. While blending, you can add dry fenugreek leaves. This gives a nice flavor. Now let's make makhani pasta. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. Turn on the saute mode. Add the sauce to the pot. I have used my instant Ace Plus blender to blend a sauce. You can use a hand blender also, but make sure not to scratch the bottom. Add milk, heavy cream, sugar and capsicum. Give it a quick mix. Add pasta and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Add dried oregano and cheese. and give it a quick mix. Wow, look at this. Creamy pasta is ready. Look at this creamy makhani sauce pasta in the Instant Pot is ready. If you want, you can squeeze some lemon. Garnish it with cilantro. Enjoy it hot. This is the perfect comfort food. This is a quick recipe for the busy weekday night. Here are some tips and variations for this makhani pasta. Tip number 1. You can make this makhani sauce in the big batch and use it for later use. It stays good for a week in the fridge, or you can freeze it for longer. Tip number 2. If you want to make butter chicken or paneer butter masala, just add cooked chicken or paneer to this gravy. Tip number 3. If you want to make this simple one-pot dish, saute butter, onion paste, tomato puree, ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, and add the rest of the masala powder, cashew paste, pasta and 2 cups of water. Mix it well and cook it for 4 minutes and do a natural release for 5 minutes and release the rest of the pressure and select the saute mode. Add milk, cream and cheese and mix it well. Tip number 4. If you want a vegan version, instead of butter you can use olive oil itself. Instead of milk and heavy cream, you can use coconut milk and coconut cream. You can always keep adding cheese and add 1/4 cup of cashews additionally to get a nice creamy texture. Tip number 5. You can also add any veggies to this pasta. Do try this yummy and easy Indian style makhani pasta in the Instant Pot. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.